For me, before I had Novadontics in my dental life, doing implant procedures was a bit complicated because we didn't have the advanced three-dimensional imaging that we have. We didn't have a checklist of things to track and monitor in terms of collecting data on the patient, understanding what things we need to think about. And it really was very time-consuming and, to be honest, quite stressful because you wanted to make sure that you got the procedure right. You wanted to make sure that you hit every detail and that you had thought through every possible scenario so that the surgery would go smooth. So it simplified my entire life, but it also made the patient experience much better because now treatment is more predictable, there were less complications, and things were planned from A to Z.
You know, I think the best thing about Novadontics is it walks you step by step. If you're biting off a really easy case at first, you make sure that you've dotted your I's and crossed your T's. As you get more advanced in your implant knowledge and you dive into bigger all-on-4 cases or bridge cases, then you feel like you're doing it with predictability and you know that you have the support system built in for successful cases.
The most fulfilling thing about placing an implant is you've taken an area where a patient has a deficit, a very self-conscious deficit, and you can go in there and restore their mouth. Where they couldn't eat before, now they can eat. Where they couldn't smile before, now they can smile. That's very fulfilling for me and very fulfilling for them. They feel like they've got part of their life back.
We've had several patients that have come to us and their entire demeanor or their ability to smile is gone. They're missing their teeth or they're not able to eat. And what they tell you is not so much that the teeth are missing, but my life is just, it's affected, it's changed. And so you get to know them and you form a relationship. And as soon as you're done with treatment, they have the set of teeth in, they get up and they actually hug you and they start crying and they tell you, you've changed my life. And being able to go to work each day and have that be something that you do for people, that I think is one of the coolest things that's happened to us. We've had Major League Baseball players, we've had famous musical artists, we have a lot of different patients in our practice, but nothing has been as rewarding as seeing our work change someone's life.